Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the recommendations which were made by M. Narasimham, the 13th governor of RBI, who passed away in April. His recommendations were very useful to revolutionize the banking sector and create a financial stability in the Indian financial system. So we will try to highlight the importance of his points and we'll try to highlight the points which are important for the exam. So first of all, due to his efforts in the Indian banking system, the principles of the BIS, which stands for Bank for International Settlement, were introduced in the Indian banking system. These reforms are named as Basel reforms, Basel 1, 2 or 3, because the headquarters of the BIS is based in Basel, Switzerland. Also, he recommended to slash the CRR and SLR rate, which were quite exorbitant or high during the 1990s. So, due to his efforts, the CRR and the SLR was reduced, which helped to increase the flow of money in the financial system. CRR, as we know, that it is the amount of cash which a bank needs to keep with the RBI. However, the bank earns no interest on it. But the SLR, statutory liquidity ratio, the bank needs to keep this in the form of gold, cash or liquid assets with themselves to help them keep out of the insolvency. So CRR and SLR are two principles to regulate the money flow in the economy. Also, Narasimham Committee recommended for the privatization of banks, which we can see that now the government is keen on privatizing the banks. Also, he said to merge the banks and recommended for a 4-tier structure of banks in which there will be banks of international importance, of national importance, niche banks and small financial and payment banks. So these are some of the key highlights of his recommendations which is important for the UPSC. So please keep a check on the points and the extra points about the repo rate, reverse repo rate. We will discuss them in further lectures, but this is important for examination. So keep an eye on the Narasimham Committee recommendations. Thank you.